How you doing? My name's Rob Bagley. I'm the Director of Career and Internship Services. So right here at the Summit Grill, just above it is this building, which is called the Carriage House. That's where you can come and get help from Career Services. So let's take a walk over there so you can see where that's at. You're just going to come to the Devereaux Mansion here. And then this is the Carriage House that used to be part where they used to keep the carriages for the Devereaux Mansion. Right behind us here is, of course, BYU Salt Lake Center. But if you come on up here, this is where Career and Internship Services is here. We've got internships, the Career Studio, where you can practice interviews, resume writing, networking and workshops, career advising, alumni services, employer networking, if you want to learn about your strengths, and then some international outreach that we do as well, and the Research and Business Development Center. So this is EC Squared. It stands for the Ensign Center for Employer Connections. And we have one building here, and the other one is over in the corner of the BYU Salt Lake Center. That one, that EC Squared triad, is where we have employers who have offices on campus who are hiring students to work on real-world projects that are part of their company. All right, let's go inside the Carriage House and check it out. So this is the Carriage House. It originally was where they kept the carriages for the Devereaux Mansion. Then it became a cafe, and now it's Career Studio. If you're looking for an internship and you want to figure out, how do I go about searching for an internship, you can start here at Career Studio. And there's space that you can work on things. We've got this fun phone booth here. If you want to come in here and make a private phone call, so you can have your private phone call in here. And then it's also, we've got some fun space upstairs. So this used to be a cafe. And get some lights on here for this. So this is also a fun place that you can come and work on different projects, get some help from Career Services. Sometimes we have meetings up here. There's this really fun electronic whiteboard. I'm sure it's still plugged in. Yeah. So you want to have a meeting and brainstorm on some different things, meet with Career Services, work on a project. There's also at different times the Research and Business Development Center be over in this corner of the building, and they have a bunch of online internship projects. So you can sign up for a project. You would put on a team with other students. You might be up at BYU, Idaho, or different places in the world, and then you'll be paired with a business that has a problem that they want help with. And then you, with this student team that you're on, you work on their project for the semester, and that's your internship. Called the Research and Business Development Center. So that's one way you can get your internship done. Speaking of internships are super important. So they're required for graduation, but also internships help you prepare for your career. They're one of the best ways to test out a career you think you might want to do, is to do an internship in that area. And also it's a great way to expand your professional network so that you can meet people that may lead to job opportunities. So all your education is really important, and just as important to that is to get good work experience. And an internship is one of for a lot of people, the first kind of real work experience that you're going to have. So make sure you're planning ahead. If you want to do an internship this summer, you should already be looking for it now. At least a semester before, you want to start thinking about what am I going to do for my internship and how's that going to help me progress in my career, expand my professional network. So we're happy to help you get your resume ready, show you different places you can search for internship opportunities, introduce you to some of the employers that we know, and internships are super valuable, so make sure you start early with those.